Yo! We're not daily. Yeah, man, the echo on for the intro. So today we're there again with Castafari going for the billions. So we did the audio track before and we was waiting for the video. So now we have the video. I'm going to pin the audio track reaction below. And I'm going to pin it at the end of the screen so you can go check it out. Also, I'm going to pin the G channel, YouTube channel. Then you go check out him YouTube and him other work, them women about them, other artists. Castafari going for the billion. Let's jump around and see what going on. Let's go.
Now full of them, money me. Now full of them.
Oh, you feel like you're dead, not done yet?
We are free enough money.
He's not done yet.
Now full of them, money me. We are free enough money right now.
Production team, big up on yourself. You know yourself already. Big up yourself. Ready? All right.
Gun for the billions.
Yeah.
My style different, call it brilliant.
Sure.
Money and my religion. Gal leg spread like long division. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now.
Girls love money. If you broke no girl now, go spread no legs for your move. All right. If you brought no girl now, go spread no legs for you. Like the land division. Go outside. Castafari.
Gun for the billions.
Yeah.
My style different, call it
Brilliant.
brilliant. Money and my religion. Gal leg spread like long division.
Why?
Bang billy bang. Tall long broom. Make gal belly bang.
Why?
Big deal with no deal with minimal. Call me crib if it big like synagogue. Yeah. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free
big
enough
like
money
synagogue.
right now. Now full of
Know
them,
that.
money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Now full of them, money we a mess. Cause we are free enough.
You don't want to go pin that comment section. Crazy. Big up moms. DJ Mac, crash come here. Reading not done yet in the dark. Remember me telling you now. Huh? Reading not done yet. Castafari.
Gun for the billions.
Yeah.
My style different, call it brilliant. Money and my religion. Gal leg spread like long division. Bang billy bang. Tall long broom. Make gal belly bang. Big deal with no deal with minimal. Call me crib if it big like synagogue. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough
Money right now.
Now full of them, money we a mess.
Elfie, big up yourself, man.
Some are fight against.
Maroon Governor General.
Some of them are goat.
All right.
Some of them are cow. Come for the business. Money coming in swiftly.
Yeah.
Full of cheese like Ritz bits. Roll out crisp like biscuit. Fat ride and a tip bitch. For the fast life dog, we out here risk it. Nothing funny or not Disney. Man a boss and a boy can't trick me.
Nothing funny and no Disney. Nothing funny and no Disney. And no Cartoon Network and no Nickelodeon. This bumbo clat and nothing no funny. This is no stand-up comedian. This is no. Hey, I'm serious about it. We are going for the billions. Billions.
Biscuit, nothing funny or not Disney. Man a boss and a boy can't trick me. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now.
Now full of them,
money we a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Some are fight against, some are run fence. Some say them a goat, some of them a cow. Gun for the billions. My style different, call it brilliant. Money and my religion.
video clean your fuck.
Gal leg spread like long
In a 4K
division.
too. Why?
Bang billy bang. Tall long broom. Make gal belly bang. Big deal with no deal with minimal. Call me crib if it big like synagogue. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Now full of them, money me a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now.
Look up yourself, moms. Some moms.
Money we a mess. Cause we are free enough money right now. Some are fight against, some are run fence. Some say them a goat, some of them a cow.
Clad, Castafari, big up yourself, my G. Yo, like me said, that one I got pinned in the comment section. Check it out. Him give it the audio. Him never satisfied with the audio alone for him fans them. So him give it the video. DJ McMahon and big up on yourself. Big up on yourself for actually releasing the video. Yeah, because the video been done a long time, but the video was on a restricted thing. So them free it up. So big up on yourself, my G. Big up on yourself. You see me? Yes. LV, big up on yourself, my G. Yes. Castafari and the whole team, big up on yourself. Let him know what you guys think about this one. Go in the comment section and click on it. And go by my YouTube channel. He have other works over there too. Bad artists. We have to support bad artists when the artists bad. We have to support them. No joke. Alright? Catch you guys in the next one.